All right, we got here a 2013 Chrysler 200. Now this is my neighbor's car, and about 4 months ago he was driving and the car stalled. So I came down on the side of the road and I found out this fuse was blown for the ASD relay for one of the coils. So I changed it and the car ran for 4 months, but I told him that I gave him another fuse and I told him if it blows again, just change it and then we'll try to deal with it then. So it just blew last night and he's been driving it since, but he doesn't want it to happen again. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to scope the coils. This is feeding the coils, so I'm going to scope the coils, see if we can see any anomalies, like if one looks like it's shorted. I don't think we'll see anything because it was 3-4 months, but we'll try it. Okay, we're going to use the Pico. I'm going to set this up. Okay. Connect the end clamp. I'm going to use a low end clamp. For now, I'm just going to use one channel. Alright, so we got our M clamp connected. Let's go to about, well, we'll go to 20 amps. It's probably around 10 amps of coil, so I want some room. Okay, now, I don't know where the cover is. They must have left it in the car, but I can tell that this fuse is the newer fuse, so we'll pull that one out. Okay, so I have a 10 amp in here in my loop, which is fine, good enough. Okay, let's put this here. We're most likely backwards, but that's just how it works with end clamps. I'm gonna start the car. Yeah, right. It's running. Wow, we got it right the first time. Okay, so here's the coils. Everything looks totally fine. They all look even amount of amperage. We can zoom in a bit. None of them look shorted. We're just going to stop it and we're going to quickly go through them. There should be 4 in a row. So that one looks fine. You can even see a little bit of, what do you call that? Vibration in the beginning. That usually means good. Skip over to the next one. That one looks fine. Alright, so this does not look like a coil problem at all. I guess the next best thing, we'll do the wiggle test. Alright, so I'm going to leave it running, and I'm just going to shake around the fuse box. I think it feels fine. Let me go look at the actual coils. Alright, we'll move this over here. Okay. Oh, I got it. I just hit it and I heard this fuse blow. It really blew. So it's right around here. I just got really lucky. Okay, let's see if we can actually find it. So we're looking for heat and vibration. See right here, this harness is touching the screw of the valve cover. Yep, that's it. I mean, at least it looks like it. Right here. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, see that? That's melted. I'm gonna have to slice this open and fix that wire. That looks like beer copper to me. Yeah, I can definitely see beer copper. Okay. Look at that. I honestly do not think I would find anything. It was so intermittent. Got really lucky. Yeah, it's on that wire right there. See that? Right there's the bare copper. Wow. Okay, I was lucky. What would be the best way to repair this? I guess put something under this bracket and then fix this wire up. It's like a really annoying spot to get to actually fix. Alright, there's the wire. I used an uninsulated butt connector, put it over there, then covered it with heat shrink, and then I was able to put electric tape and what do you call this stuff? Test tape around it. Hopefully that's gonna be good enough. If not, it will come back and at least I know where it is. But that's the best I can do now. And this thing should be fixed. Let me just pop this out. Put back in the 15. Just make sure it starts. Alright. I have to clear the codes because I had the ignition on with a few things unplugged. That's why the light's there. But let's clear the code, and I just want to wiggle over here, make sure we're good. Yep, it's not touching anywhere near there. All right. Alright, we'll do a smart scan. Alright, we got a bunch of stored codes. That's fine. That's history on these. It would say active if it's current. Well, now I'm just do key on, engine off, and we'll clear these. The EVAP might come back, but that's not, that's not going to cause it to stall. Alright, there we go. No lights on, besides the seatbelt. Alright, thanks for watching.